You have heard the story of the talents in the Bible, right? Jesus wasn't talking about money. We have told ourselves that parable means cash, but what it really meant was God-given ability, the gift inside you that is supposed to multiply lives. But the problem, most people have buried their talents, not because they don't have many, but because they are scared of failing, scared of what people will say, scared they are not enough. So they hide the very thing that could change their story. When you get closer to God, it begins to show you how to use what He has already given you. He didn't give you that gift to impress people. He gave you that gift to impart lives. I'm not showing up here because I need something from you. I'm showing up here because I need to see you grow. Use that gift, serve with it, bless with it, and multiply it. Because talent is not for show. Talent is for impact. Until we meet again, my name is Felix Obuye. See you on the next one.